said. As of November 2023, we approached for the first time full establishment in the force. And we're able to bring in some additional vehicles, taking just to a point where we think they could be functionally effective. We find that in the 6-month period preceding November 23, since then, from November 23 to April 24, we have about a 24% fall in homicide rate. Now, I want to emphasize that, Mr. Speaker, because there's always ongoing dispute on the other side, and it's their right to it's their religion right. And in a democracy, good debate is important in maintaining public trust in the system. But we have always maintained that, well, let me say a few more. Gang wars have been significantly reduced. We have today have, in 2024, at the beginning there was 244 active gangs. So far this year we have only identified 106 active gangs. We have seen 27 convictions in some 5 gang trials, including our famous Klansman trial. Right? No problem. In a democracy, we expect any government in power to take some steps in it. But we executed. We built the force. There are 5 gang matters before the courts. There are 5 gang matters before the court. All right. Right person talking. 3 gang members, there are 5 gang matters before the court, and 3 are near going to the court, and overall there are 64 under active investigation. When they are under investigation, Mr. President, Mr. Speaker, they tend to get quieter, move out, disperse, and therefore doing less damage. At the moment, there are a total of 164 gang members who have been charged with predicate offenses. Several large gangs have been disrupted. Of course, the critical Klansman group is noted. One order is quiet. And of course, the Stonecrusher group of Montego has certainly just removed the spirit from the scene. We have also, I'd like to indicate that the police have picked up several contract killing syndicates. But we accept and agree that the homicide rate is still too high.